Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is a sari haul video. If you don't know already, I am a big sari lover. I have been loving saris all my life, and the love kind of came from my mom. Whenever there is an Indian function or wedding, I definitely choose sari or my other traditional outfits. And yeah, I'm so excited for today's haul because this is the first time on my channel that I'm going to be doing a sari haul. Also, many of you guys have been requesting me to do a sari haul for quite some time now, so I thought why not. And let me tell you guys, this is a pretty affordable sari haul, and all the saris that I'm going to be showing you here, which I have got from Myntra, are under 1000 rupees. So yeah, get excited. But before diving in, you guys know what you have to do. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press that bell button next to the subscribe button in order to stay notified every time I post. I'm sure you guys are following me on my Instagram page, right? If you are not already, go ahead and do so. I post a lot of my personal style there, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the first sari, and that is this gorgeous red sari. And I was instantly in love with this sari. The moment I set my eyes on it, I knew I had to get this one. Look how beautiful it looks. It has got this red color which is so vibrant and pretty, apt for any weddings and Indian traditional parties and occasions. It's a very simple yet very gorgeous sari. It has this red color going on throughout the sari, and it has got these bell or jhumka embellishments and embroidery all over the sari, and that's about it. It doesn't have much to it. Traditional jhumka embroidery on it makes it look very perfect, very chic. I personally love such saris which doesn't have too much, but you know, which are gorgeous in color, and I am so looking forward to wearing this. Like literally, I have a wedding coming up soon. I just cannot wait to wear this one, and I'm so impressed with my choice here. I am absolutely loving the color. So if you're somebody who loves vibrant colors and who loves wearing such colors during weddings, and also if you are on a budget, then I think this will definitely do the job for you. I'm so impressed with it, and I'm so looking forward to styling this one. Now moving on to the next one, and that is this one. Now you guys know, if it's my haul, it has to have a pink in it. Well, most of my hauls have pink in it, and you guys seem to love it, so why not? And I seem to enjoy pink in all my clothes. You guys know that. So yeah, I'm happy with this one as well. It has got a traditional touch to it. It is very simple, traditional, but the color is very soothing to the eyes. Again, with the material of it, I wouldn't say it's amazing. I wouldn't say that. The price I paid, it is quite nice. It's not bad at all. And obviously, as you can see, this is a very pretty color and can be worn by women of all age, I believe, because the color is so soothing. I would definitely suggest you guys to go a little bit heavy on the accessories. It kind of brings out the sari color more, and yeah, I'm so happy with this one as well. So if you have some functions in the daytime, like wedding functions during the daytime, a sari like this during the summertime and the springtime would look really nice. Now moving on to the next one, and that is this one. This has got a Kanjeevaram design, at least the website read so, and I have a fascination towards Kanjeevaram. This one in particular is not a color that I would be instantly attracted towards, but the more I saw of it, the more I got attracted towards it, and I'm so happy that I got it. I got it at a really nice price. It's not obviously pure Kanjeevaram, but the design is quite like that of Kanjeevaram. So if you are somebody who's trying to find Kanjeevaram designs at really affordable prices, then I think saris like this would definitely do the job for you. If you see the color combination, it's quite unique. I mean, for my wardrobe as well, I don't have a sari in my collection which matches to this one. It is a little unique if you talk about the yellow and gold here, and yeah, I think a piece like this can be worn definitely at night time or evening parties, during weddings. Of course, it is a very gorgeous piece. The material is quite nice. It does come with a blouse piece, golden blouse piece. I am not going to use this blouse piece with this sari. Of course, I'm going to go for something which is rather contrast. Well, I'm thinking of maroon, maybe the emerald green. It'll look absolutely amazing, I feel. And yeah, I'm so happy with the color combination, and I'm definitely recommending you guys this sari. If you are trying to find something which is apt for, you know, weddings, then go ahead and get this one, guys. Okay, now those were all the saris that I got from Myntra, but I'm not done yet. I recently got gifted a Kanjeevaram Kanjeevaram, real Kanjeevaram, and I'm so grateful for it. So I thought of sharing it with you all in this sari haul. It was a little expensive. If you know the prices of Kanjeevaram, then you would know. I'm going to wear it on a wedding function also, and I'm loving it. I just love the work on it. It is so pretty, and it looks very royal, very traditional. So impressed, so very gorgeous, very beautiful. I definitely recommend you guys, if you love saris, then you have to have a Kanjeevaram in your collection. Otherwise I feel the collection doesn't get completed. So yeah guys, that's it for today's sari haul. Let me know in the comment section which was your favorite sari, and if you are a sari lover too, I'm sure you are. Tell me your video recommendations in the comment section below. You guys know I love hearing from you guys. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Mwah. Bye.